Hello customers, this is Cardot liquid KG as a GPS column system. Now I will introduce this new product to you. And first, let me introduce the standard composition to you, and second, I will tell you how to remote start. Some customers contact Cardot, they cannot remote start. Now I will tell you what points you will check, what points will affect the remote start working. Now first, introduce the standard compositions. This majority, yes, as you can see, this is a high frequency antenna. If you want to remote unlock, you need to insert this high frequency antenna. This is PKE antenna. And if PKE antenna is working and this LED will blinking. Okay, as you can see, this is PKE. This is PKE. Okay, I remove this film, plastic film. Yes, PKE blinking. Okay, now, and this is PKE antenna, and this, as you can see, this is for GPS module, and this is a PKE antenna, and this is for door handle. This is for cardboard collection. Why do you need a cardboard collection? As for some cars, you cannot find the unlock wires. It is very hard to find them. You need to insert the cardboard box insert to this, and it is very easy to connect for some cars. And this DIP switch and DIP7 is auto transmission car, and other DIP switch definitions you need to read on professional manual, and you will know it, and I will tell you how to do that. Okay, it's so very easy. Now the PK antenna, and this is the main cable, and this is the central lock cables. I will introduce them to you, and these 6 star cables. Okay, this is ground. Okay, ground wires. Now let me introduce them one by one. Okay, now as you can see, we have made the stick and wrap them on each wires, and this is siren wire connecting to car hole wire. Okay, to your car, this wire. We don't need to send your car number siren. This is the negative trigger, and this is when the output trigger wires. It will output 8 seconds signal, negative signal output, this one. Okay, and if your car has wind up functions, you need to connect this one, and you press lock, it will trigger wind up automatically. Now let me introduce other wires. Okay, now this AUX and this two red wires. Normally speaker, you don't need to collect them. They are used for some special purpose. If your car ignition switch will detect the original key, and when you start engine, and when your engine is off, they will cut. When engine is on, they will connected. They are useful for this situation. So you can collect them. Remote start, 2 wires collection, remote stop and cut, and the collection is cut. So they are for other purpose. Now this one is foot brake. You want to remote start, you need to press the foot brake. And this one this is side down wire for some purpose. For example, if your car is in armed status and someone open the car door illegally, it will make alarm. It will be off, and engine will be immobilized, and you use your mobile phone to come to your car. You know the car door is closed well or not. You will know this status from your mobile app. Okay, it will reflect the correct status by this wire. And now this purple wire I must I must tell you about this. This is very important. Where this is purple wire. Sometimes you can put start successful, but you cannot remote start this wire. That is because you have forgotten to connect this purple wire. This is for remote start. Remote start, you must connect this to the oil pass wire, but for auto transmission car, you need to connect to this to ACC. To ACC, that's enough. Okay, so it is very easy connection. And this one, okay, is very easy. Okay, green wire for trunk wire. It is suppose it work with the negative or positive trigger cars. So it very easy connections. Sometimes you connect one wire, maybe you cut the original trunk trigger wire. You need to connect this to other to the one end, this to other end. So it's very easy. We have manual and it has some details to tell you how to do. And this trunk wire, right trunk. Okay, I'm sorry. This is direction light wire, left and right direction light. So it's very easy. You know this. And this is central lock wires, 4 wires, and this lock unlock and yellow wire, 6 wires. 6 wires, it supports all situations. It can work with all situations of central lock connections. So you don't need to add any relays. Normally, it is very easy to connect. And normally, as for negative trigger and positive trigger, negative and positive trigger, they are normal situations. So connect. It is so easy. It's so easy. Okay. Okay. This lock and this unlock, lock. Okay. Okay. Lock, unlock. Yes. This is okay. This is green and this is lock, unlock, and this is for ground. If your car is negative setting lock, don't connect these 2 wires. You need to connect lock, unlock, and then connect them to the ground. So it's very easy to connect. This is other main cables definitions. If you want to know more details, you connect to our salesman. They will tell you how to do. Okay, and we have professional installer and professional to tell you how to install our product. Our product is a good product. You don't worry about quality. It's very easy to collect. We have more items to support your requirement. Now, as you can see, this blue cable is ACC. That's very good. Okay, this is black cable. This is for ground. This is for start. And this brown wire to on one constant power. Yes, and the red is for 12, and this green cable is for on 2. Yes, that's very good. On 2, okay, start. Oh, very good. Okay, start. This for ACC. Blue, green is for on 2, and this brown cable is for on 1. So this is 6 pistol cable connections. Okay, I just introduced the collections about this new liquid key of GS GPS consistent. This liquid key. And this liquid key, you need to put a SIM card inside it. Okay, we have GPS. You also need to buy GPS SIM card inside the GPS module. Okay, first let the GPS working, and then you let this liquid key working. So one by one, we have some manual which can teach you how to do, how to finish the setting. Okay, now I want to remote start. Okay, if remote start is successful and this will be on. Yes, will be on. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. It's a failure. It's a failure. I cannot remote start. That's right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes, failure 2. Yes, I cannot start. Why? You don't know why. Because PK is working. As for this system, it has a special feature. If smart key is within the PKE induction range, you cannot remote start. You must remote start outside of your car. Normally, you stand at this 10 meters away from your car, you can remote start it. But you are tested it, and near this car, I sit inside the car. I want to remote start. I need to hold lock unlock 6 seconds. I'm sorry. Yes, you will hit B and this make click sound and it's off. And the PK antenna is off. That's right. Now I want to remove start, as you can see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes, as you can see, it will be off. Normally it will be off. I'm sorry. Okay, I click this ground. Okay, as you can see, right. This is on 1. Yes, I remove start successful. I stop. Okay, now let me try it again. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's very good. At the start. Okay, stop. Yes, that's good. That is to say, you need to remove start outside of your car. Maybe you turn off the PKE and remove start inside the car. Anyway, is okay. Anyway, is available, but our system cannot. If our system detects PKE smart key near the car, you cannot remove start. Okay, remember that. Thank you. Bye bye.